Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kanong yalam ka Seng Congress jong ka Jala Assam ka Babita Sharma haba jubab halor ka jingbam patla jong ki wei ki Seng ban shimkhia halor ban wengi ki mat kum ka jingya ka ja khaput ka jingwan ra ILP ban kunthop ya ka khtian khasiya ka karnet ka bapra hapo ka riti sanchar jong kari ka Sharma ka laong ba ka Seng Congress ka yeng na ka bantaban penne ikitan rai jong ki barit barya ka Babita ka laong ba ki Seng bapher kila let ban ra ya ka mat ILP handai kani ka mat kadang sakut sa ha ka miet jong ka sarkar pedeng Syuk ka Babita ka laong ba ka Seng Congress ka ngets kham ba ki Seng Riewlum ki de bandan bat kum ka Seng ka buram ya ka jingdon jong ki Seng Riewlum ha ka than handai ka BJP kam kwa satya ya kata bat kala Klun lut iki Seng Riewlum hapo ka than chatai lami ngi Nakaliang Matthew Anthony habakren bikila pathai khubor laong baga Seng Congress ka train na banta ka jingmantoy jong kipat ba Matthew laong ru baga Seng ka ailat iki khun samla bakin rung sya ka Seng ban syakri na banta kipat ba ka Jala Meghalaya ula benrap da ka baong bakum ka Seng kamat ya shibun ki jing e handai ka Seng kanom kan randien bat ka dan bed ya ka jingyen ban syakri ya upat ba
So Congress has always stood for the preservation of the ethnic minorities or ethnic languages, culture. Who gave the sixth schedule? It is the Congress gave. They are talking about the IPL, but the IPL is still sitting in the center. Why have they not done anything about it? We have also welcomed the IPL, but we also want that the sixth schedule should also be there. But they are still, double-faced about it. And at the same time, I feel that the Congress party, as Mr. Matthew has said just now, has a history of preserving the culture of the people of not only Meghalaya, the whole Northeast. And nobody can deny that. No matter what they say, they cannot deny that. But BJP, on the other hand, is trying to break that. They are trying to impose a thought, a culture of one India everywhere. Congress believes that regional parties should also exist. As you are very much aware that we have never tried to swallow any regional party. The Congress never tried to swallow up any regional party. We have given them space to grow. It is very important to have regional party and regional aspirations. The Congress respects that everywhere. You can see the history of the Congress party. So BJP wants only their party to win. They don't want regionalism at all. Assam is a glaring example. So you can go by that.
The place where from I come, Maharashtra, is a glaring example of they hitting the alliance. The Shiv Sena is broken down. They break families. So now, Meghalaya has got a history of, very, very fruitful, healthy regional parties. And, the national parties only had a couple of instances of forming a government. And we respect the regional parties here. So why? Because, your question has a direct answer because, they are threatened by the agencies of Enforcement Directorate, CBI and all other things, So if they don't fall in line with BJP, then you will have a Enforcement Directorate knocking at your door, a CBI knocking at your door. So do you want that or, do you want something else? You want peace. So that is the reason, So Congress always, the reason why Congress looks weak is because we give respect to other people's mind, freedom. We don't oppress their mind or we don't suppress their mind with the power in our hand. Whenever we had the power also. Yes, sometimes, something, might have gone as a judgmental error. But that's not the case, with BJP. They brazenly use the power to oppress people to toe their line. That's why it is. The regional parties or anybody else, who's aligning with BJP, it's not because of love, it's because of fear. Similarly, Congress is working for the benefit of the people. Sometimes, there is a phase in life, where you have some situations coming up. But what is important is that, we are not giving up. We are working with the hope to serve the people, irrespective of the challenges which we face. And that is why sometimes, situations like this are opportunities also because, we are getting an opportunity for a lot of youngsters to come into the politics by using this as an opportunity. So that's where, we see, I'm not saying miracle, it's about, being consistent. It's about doing small things in a very consistent manner. And that's where your victory lies. And we are being consistent in kind of giving opportunities in the challenging moments, to very youngsters who are capable, who are professional, who have aspirations and who have ambitions to serve the people of Meghalaya. We are giving them an opportunity and definitely the people of Meghalaya will see the Congress sincerity and the integrity of the Congress in serving the states all these years, even when they were not in power, by helping the people.
What according to you is the reason for them to leave the party? There can be a reason.
Temptations are always there. Temptations with fear is always a reason. What if I put a gun on your head and say that no, if you don't join me, then you lose your life? Or what if I put a threat on you and notice from an agency, from a central agency, that no, I'm going to take all your transactions, and if you don't join me, a case charge will be filed against you.